At Indian Broiler, we go all out to help you and your child rediscover a new, healthier and more joyful way of breaking your fast every morning. Now, if we have to give fresh, protein-rich milk, we need to breed happy, healthy cows. For only happy cows can give you the healthiest of milk. We at Abis Dairy Farms make every effort to make our animal friends contented and happy. To begin with, we give them an environment conducive to happiness. The farm is kept clean and natural. Fresh, cushiony rubber mats set in the shady feeding lots give the animals respite from the sun and a cozy place to rest. When hungry, they eat fresh maize cultivated in our own in-house farms. This keeps them away from any form of contamination as the maize is completely devoid of toxins and pesticides. The IB group also produces its own fodder and soya in its manufacturing units to feed the animals and ensure that they get nothing but supreme homemade quality food. We have an in-house team of qualified, experienced and dedicated vets. They do everything to keep the cattle hearty and happy. Each animal has a transponder that records their age, health, milk yield per lactation cycle, and the total lifetime yield. It also helps track the movement and general behavior of the animals, thus facilitating us to observe and take immediate action on even the slightest of poor health indications or concerns. This helps us manage pregnancies effortlessly and also isolate any animal with health issues from milking until it is back in full health. Be assured that the milk we give you comes only from the healthiest and cheeriest of cattle. The processes involved in milking the cows are as important, and for this, hygiene is paramount. We employ the most modern technologies to make the process of milking hygienic, error-free and effective. Fresh milk collected from the parlour is homogenized, making sure the fats are not separated. Flash heating and cooling kills the bacteria, and the pasteurized milk is now packed and ready to be shipped. Shipping is done only after the samples pass stringent quality measures that the lab undertakes on-site. And we do it all so that your child gets to drink healthy, uncontaminated and fresh, wholesome power milk, completely untouched and pure.